Hello fans, welcome back to this update. Are you looking for a free trading platform where you can trade your cryptocurrencies and crypto assets? I think this platform is the best for you because here you can actually accumulate unlimited profits on your trading, and this is so amazing. So here we are going to discuss about a platform called Buy Trading, and it's one of the best cryptocurrency trading platform, and here you can hold all cryptocurrency assets on their platform. So here I'm going to guide you step by step on how the platform works, and so you can start using the platform to earn free profit for yourself. Mind you that this video is for educational purpose only and not a financial advice. We don't promote or endorse any platform. All we do here is to update you on a free earning process so you can check it out by yourself. So always make sure you make a proper research before you start using any platform. It's very important. So with that being said, guys, let's continue. Right here, all you need to do is to follow this video instruction and start earning your free profit on this website. Okay, so right here, if you tap on the link which I'm going to be providing, it's going to take you to this place. Just go ahead and tap on the click to enter button over here, and right here it's going to take you to this place. Just go ahead and tap on the sign up button to sign up an account with the platform. So go ahead and sign up on the platform, and that's how it is. Make sure you request a verification code to be able to register on the platform, and the verification code should be sent to your email address. Okay, so now we are on the trading platform, and here you can see all the information on the screen about the platform. And right on this video, we are going to see how the website works so you can start trading on the platform to earn your profit every single day. Okay, so before we continue anything on this platform, the first thing to do is to bind our wallet address so we will be able to withdraw from the website. So here you're going to tap on the my icon below the screen and tap on the bind account. If you tap on that, you're going to choose either cryptocurrency or fiat currency. So here we are going with cryptocurrency. We're going to tap on the add, and then we're going to select USDT TRS20 asset. So now you're going to need to paste in your address. Okay, then after that you're going to request for email verification code. Okay, so if you tap on this clock icon behind the screen, they are going to send you a verification code to your email. So all you need to do is to enter the verification code on the space provided over right here. Okay, so after that, just tap on the confirm button over here to confirm your address, and once you tap on that, right, successfully our address has been added to this platform. So now you'll be able to withdraw your coins from the website. So now let me show you how to withdraw your money from the platform. So here just tap on the withdraw button showing on the screen, and here you're gonna need to enter the amount you want to withdraw. Okay, so here we are going to withdraw $10, and this is the actual fees they are going to take from us. And then after that, just tap on the withdraw button. So if you tap on the withdraw button here, right, successfully our withdrawal has been placed. So all you need to do is to go to your wallet, and you are going to see your free $10 has been deposited into your account. Okay, so this is how to place a withdrawal from the website. So now for you to start using the platform, you're gonna need to top up your account. So here you're gonna need to tap on the my button again, and here you're gonna need to tap on the top up button. So here I top up my account just to show you guys how to use the platform on the trading aspect. And here we're going to tap on the top up button over here. Here you're gonna need to select the amount you want to top up right here. So mind you that on this platform they allows TRC20 USDT top up and ERC20 USDT top up. So you can choose any asset of your choice and make your top up. Okay, so here you're gonna need to tap on the amount. So let's tap on the 50 here, and then you're gonna need to tap on the top up button. If you tap on that, it's gonna take you to this place, and here is the address where you're gonna need to make your top up. And after that, you're gonna need to tap on the confirm and then go back to your account. So if you go back to your account, you're gonna see that the amount you requested has been added to your account, and you can start trading your crypto on the platform. So if you want to start trading, just tap on the home button, and then you're gonna need to tap on the calculator on the screen. So if you tap on the calculator, so here we are going to trade on the Ethereum. So here on the platform you can trade either on the BTC or Ethereum. Okay, so here we're going to trade on the Ethereum aspect of the website. So here we're gonna need to copy out this amount on the screen here, and then you're gonna head over to your account. So here we are going to be trading on the Ethereum aspect on the website, and right here you can see they have 1 minute, 3 minutes, 5 minutes here on the screen. So we are going to trade according to the signal. So let's go to the signal of the website and trade according to the signal. Okay, so right here on the signal said we should go with the green trade, so we are going with green, and here the period is 60. Okay, so now let's go back to the trade. So you're gonna select green over here, and then you're gonna enter the amount you want to use for your trade. Okay, so let's say we are trading with $1. Okay, let's just enter this amount. Okay, then we're gonna need to tap on the trade here. So if you tap on the trade, you're gonna need to tap on the confirm button over here to execute your trade. So here purchase is successful, so we're gonna need to wait for our result. Okay, so this is how to place the trade on platform. So make sure you are trading with the signal on the platform to always be on the right path on the website. Okay, so let's see what happens. So here it says congratulations, we won the game. Okay, so this is how to trade on the platform, and if you look into my balance on the screen, you're gonna see we got some profit on the website. So this is how to trade on the platform. Okay, so you can start using the signal channel to start earning more profit on your trading. It's actually free, guys. There is no money needed for this signal channel. Okay, so this is how to trade. So after trading, you can withdraw a profit from the platform, and that's so simple, guys. So on the website, you can also invite your friends to earn more commissions when they trade on this website. So it's one of the best chance to earn more from the platform. Okay, so here are the rewards involved on the platform in case you're interested about the website. So this is all about this website and how it works, and I hope you find the video helpful. If you do, please like and subscribe to this channel for more updates, and if you have any problem, always contact the support to help you out. So thank you, and see you on the next videos. Loves you, and goodbye for now.